Hey guys, it's Girly Tech Studios. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get mermaids on The Sims 4. So you already have to have The Sims 4 downloaded. So if you don't already, I have a link in the description on how to get The Sims 4 for free on Mac. It works completely, it's super easy, and I play it all the time, so it's a pretty awesome download. So after you have your Sims 4 downloaded, there will be a link in the description for this website, and it will say Mermaid Mod. And scroll down to where it says Files, click Files, and press Spinning Plum Bobs, this link right here. Then it will download it, and you go in your downloads, and you drag and drop that on your desktop. After you do that, there will be a different link in the description, and it will pull up this website. You have to scroll down to where it says Download. It will say this ad fly thing, and you just let the ad run through. You don't click anything, or else it'll bring you to something else. So you ignore all this, don't click it. It says please wait, and then you press skip ad. Then it will bring you to the actual download, and it will send it. And once it's finished downloading, you're going to also drag that onto your desktop. So drag it on your desktop, and then you can just minimize the tabs for now. You want to go to Finder, you want to go to Documents, and it will say Electronic Arts. I'm going to click Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, you want to click Mods, and then you want to put both of these inside that folder. That's all you have to do. Then you just start up the game. And once the game has started up, it will have all the resources you need to become a mermaid. So there's different ways to become a mermaid with different mods. So this mod's a little different, so I'm going to show you. There is something called a moon pool. But in order to activate the moon pool to become a mermaid, you need to read mermaid books, in which you can buy in build mode. So I'm going to show you this once the game has loaded up. Okay, so once the game has started, it will show you all these things, and you don't do anything about it. You just press the check mark. Okay, so once you have your sim, you're going to want to go into build mode, and you're going to want to search book. And in here, there will be these mermaid mythology books. Doesn't matter which one you get, just place it into the world. And then you're also going to need something called a moon pool. Let's see if it comes up. So let's type in moon, and here it is, ancient moon pool. And you just want to place it into the world. Once you do that, you want to get your person to read the mermaid book over and over and over again, or you can buy different ones until they become level 3. So I'll be right back until she reaches level 3 by reading the book in the mermaid skills. Now that my sim is on level 3 of Mermaid Mythology, we are able to turn her into a mermaid. But first, it has to be dark outside when the moon is out, because it is a moon pool. So we're going to put her to sleep until it is late at night. Now that it's about 11 at night, we can click the moon pool and press Gaze at Moon's Reflection. Now once that happens, you are able to press Channel Lunar Energy. And then with that, she will become a mermaid. And now you'll be able to customize her tail and outfit. So what we want to do is we can use these, any color works. And then we'll go to bottoms, and we will choose the tail that we want. So it doesn't really look correct down here, so we want to go to shoes, and if you scroll all the way down, it'll say no feet, and then her feet will disappear. So then you press done. So now that you've become a mermaid, you're able to go into the pool and your sim will transform into a mermaid. So here is the final product. There's a lot more that comes with this mermaid mod, but I'm not going to go into it, but you can do things with your mermaid and it's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is how you get mermaid mods on The Sims 4.